Hello and welcome to Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be microwaving a Rubik's Cube. From what I've heard, these things are really cool in the microwave because of the internal components and everything. It'll actually kind of hop around, blow up, do all sorts of weird things. But this should be an interesting microwaving, and as you may or may not know, Jareth, the Goblin King, is quite the intelligent microwave. And here to solve the Rubik's Cube today is the Kenmore beast of a microwave named Jareth. And now let's open him up. Stick in the cube. And this microwaving is going to be one for the ages. Alright, there are 6 sides on a Rubik's Cube, but 9 squares per side. So let's average them out. This thing will be in for 7.5 minutes. Okay, and let's get microwaving. Alright, let's begin. Okay, I think that's enough of that. Looks like this Rubik's Cube's been solved. It needs to cool down a little. Alright, now let's check out the solution to this microwaving puzzle. Okay, spatula, remove the post product. Looks like the cube came apart. So this is how the Kenmore Beast solves a Rubik's Cube. Pretty cool, huh? Now, as to whether or not you should do this at home, the answer should be obvious, no. This is a dangerous activity. I mean, the smell, surprisingly, wasn't too bad. It smelled a lot like cilantro, but the fire alone merits a dangerous rating. You really don't want to do this at home. Now, on a serious note, I saw someone actually microwave a Rubik's Cube, having no idea what it would do. Turned out to be a big fire that destroyed their microwave and made it so they couldn't use it for food anymore. This is why I say don't try this at home. Now, the final verdict, of course, is dangerous. You really don't want to do this one at home. This one is really something that would mess up your microwave.